I remember the sound. Oil whispering, a pan too hot, the smell of something almost burning but still perfect. Someone laughed in the next room. Someone else said, "Don't open the oven yet." And somehow, those seconds became years. Now the kitchen hums differently, quieter, cleaner. But when that warmth fills the air, it feels the same. The same wonder, the same small joy that food could hold the memory, and the machine could hold the moment of care.